we're at the warehouse, and we're surprising Dave with his birthday gift, which one shot, and it's pretty cool. After shooting the NSX, we got our photo printed at a local camera store. Here, we're getting a frame for it and seeing the print for the first time. Oh, dude.
That's cool.
Wow, that is freaking cool.
The border's actually really nice on it too.
Wow.
That looks cool.
Okay, that's great print quality.
That's pretty neat.
That is amazing print quality.
Probably inside. Hey!
Oh. Well, we kind of got you something as a team.
Oh, man, you guys.
A little something for the garage.
Oh, wow. Oh. That's cool. Who's that? Who's driving? Which car is that? Is that
It's that one.
Hey, this is nice.
Yeah.
That's
Wow. Jeez.
We're gonna sign it, and funny enough, the only Sharpie I have is Nikai's. It's Nikai's Sharpie.
Hi, Sharpie.
It's the only one that I have. Yeah.
No way. That's the one he used?
Yeah.
Holy.
Seems fitting.
So we can
Seems
sign
good
right
to
on.
sign it off
It is
on the
fitting.
promo dad.
Yeah, crazy.
There you go.
I was just waiting for somebody to... I swear I don't steal, but that...
So cool.
Thank you guys. Man, that's so awesome. Wow. Okay, now.
Welcome to Fish's Garage. We're out here today picking up Dave's new car. And so we're visiting Fish, who is one of the Risky Devils of Chicago. All white everything. It's awesome. This is our second time here, if you saw the NSX video, if that ever came out. But yeah, he's got a really dope place. Got some, oh, there's a Honda Monkey back there. E36, E30, all M3s. This, GT3 RS, Ferrari, 2 Harlequins, I didn't even notice. I didn't know you had 2 Harlequins, actually. I just saw that other one back
I
there.
just bought that one. It's kind of a cool story. In like '07, it was restored for VW's headquarters in Virginia. And then I did like this whole Euro tour, and now I just bought it. It needs
awesome.
like a few things to get back to like perfect. You know Jamie Orr, it's a full-time VW nerd. He restored it. He's a pretty famous VW guy. So
Dude, that's awesome.
it's gonna stay bone stock.
So
I
cool.
had 7 of them at one point.
Wow.
And then I was like, okay, I want one of each color, like as nice as I can make it. When he first called me about this, I had 2 other red bases, so I sold both of them, and then he backed out, and then 2 years later, he sold it to me.
Yeah, this is a cool garage. Two top secret Supras. There we go. There we go. You're good? Okay, right there. That's awesome. So this is a Nissan Skyline GTX. Now, before you lose it, let me tell you why it deserves the GTR badge it's wearing. This is the 3rd generation Nissan Skyline known as the KGC10, but this is the generation that would see the birth of the KPCG10. That is the first Skyline to have the GTR badge, also known as a Hakosuka. In my personal opinion, this is the holy grail of Nissan GTRs.
This car started in life as a third-generation Nissan Skyline GTX powered by a 2-liter 6-cylinder L20 engine. Now, GTR versions come with a 2-liter straight-six S20 engine. So what's the difference? Well, the L20 has a single overhead cam, 12-valve, making about 109 horsepower at the time. The GTRs came with the S20, which was dual overhead cams with 4 valves per cylinder instead of the L Series' 2 per cylinder. Now that all sounds great, but what is in this? Well, it has an extensively upgraded 2.8-liter L28 engine because, well, it's stroked up to a massive 3.1. The original L28 came in many Nissans from the 70s to even the early 2000s. Notably, it came in the 6th generation Skyline, known as the R30. This particular engine has a pretty wild racing setup. Triple Weber carbs, fully custom stainless steel headers with a full exhaust, and obviously the oil cooler up front. It is a welded roll cage, GTR fender flares, front and rear spoilers, and the back window? Yeah, that's plexiglass for weight. The Bilstein coilovers, you name it, this car is the real deal.
That's crazy. They said it's a stroked to a 3.1. Oh, look at the little lights in there. That's cool.
You got octane booster?
Yeah, I left one in there. I took one.
He's coming straight from work.
What the f? You push it in?
Whoa.
Oh, it's not a screw? I've never seen that before. That seems dangerous.
Put it back in. How do you spit on it?
Yeah.
Gotta lube it.
I've never seen that in my life.
Different.
That'll be fun.
Yeah, that's
at the
weird.
Gas station.
Yeah, good luck. You imagine you're like. We have to sort of say goodbye to the Promodet. The Promodet was sold back to Fish for this Hako. It's really cool to have even been around this car. Of course, it's going to Fish, so you know we're gonna see it still. It was a really cool car, and I'm glad that it's staying local and staying with us. But you know, I think they're about to pull the Hako out. A little more gas. Oh.
We have to push the gas on this.
Yeah.
What's wrong? Might have to take off the steering wheel, bro.
Okay, that thing looks so good. GTRs have always been like my favorite thing ever. And Hakos are always, of course, like the car, you know what I mean? So the fact that it's here is wow. Oh, hell yeah.
Oh, the fan, right? I wonder if there's a switch for it.
Guess how stroked it is.
I don't even know what an L series is. Me last night.
It's a base 2.5.
2.5.
You turn it on?
3.1.
3.1. It's stroked to 3.1.
Holy yeah, dude.
3.1.
Crazy. Man, it's so cool that we get to do this all the time. I'm just super happy and super thankful that people trust us to just capture the memory, you know what I mean? So Dave, thank you. This is incredible. Congratulations, man. Wow. I've always dreamed of a Hako, and it's right in front of me. All right, let's go eat. We're at Tita Mia's at PPC home base. Let's go. Everyone's here. Full Team King gang is here. The entire team except Aaron. Sad. Aaron in the chat.
I love you, Bogey.
Isn't that cool?
I forgot where I signed.
Is this yours?
I'm here.
Right? Oh, this one.
My dad.
I was like, it's kind of close.
Oh my god. I thought it was the other one. And it's up. What are you, the 70? Oh, it's beautiful. My god.
Right?
Oh my god.
Dave, when'd you get this?
About 10 minutes before you 10 minutes before we got here.
Kev, did you bring your checkbook? Huh? It's for sale. Checkbook? For sale.
I brought a checkbook. I got a card on me. Wait, what am I buying?
Woo!
Old school.
Hako.
Damn.
You ready?
Uh-oh.
So nasty.
Someone put a mark for your red line. Hey Dave, what year is this again?
70 something?
Older than about as old as you.
Oh, you know?
That's all you gotta know.
Hold on. Let me see the registration.
Oh yeah, it's in there, right?
Medicare, right? Yeah.
It's on Medicare. No way.
No, what?
It's on Medicare, bro.
So one of my patients. 71.
You know when you have a lot of cars.
Wow. The cool part is this is the air conditioner. It's nowhere else. Literally, the air conditioner is coming from right there. How cool is that? Yeah, man. This is amazing. New seats, cage. Wow.
Is that the water? You're gonna need one here. You're that old anyway, so you just
Thoughts?
get it.
That's amazing. I'm gonna get one too.
Me too.
Sure.
See, you know what? That's the plan. Maybe we all do the collection. If we each had each generation of GTR. So not like one person owned all of them, it's like we all owned collectively all of them. He wants the Hako.
So do I have dibs on 33 then?
Sure, bud. Oh, buddy.
Shit. Remember, selling a testicle is like 50 grand, so
Oh wait, this came from.
half right there.
No, it's only 30. I checked.
30 grand.
Only
Okay.
30. So you kind of
Almost there.
got to do like that and like a kidney.
Hey, but if you do that, you'll be good.
60 G's.
Even then, you might have to haggle for that GTR.
The way they're going, yeah, dude.
Yeah.
And just like that, a new Hako has entered the chat.